Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do this chocolate together, which is very easy, a nice gift and something you can do quite last minute if you have to. You want to start out with your chocolate and you want to melt it above some water. Make sure none of the water gets into it because that will ruin everything. Then you want to take your peanuts, the exact measurements are down below, and you want to cut down one half of them quite tiny. And the other one you can leave a little bit bigger. Just like that. Meanwhile, your chocolate should be melting. When it's completely melted, you want to go ahead and add your hemp seeds, as well as the tiny bits of peanut. And you want to mix that in very well. Now you can put it in your chocolate molds. And make sure you distribute it evenly. And then you want to take the bigger chunks of peanuts and you want to sprinkle that on top. And if you feel like it, you can press down a little bit so they really stick. And then you want to let that cool down for at least 4 hours or overnight. And as I said, you have a nice gift for someone who enjoys chocolate and peanuts. I hope you like this and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!